Today we will learn different parts of a circle. Okay, let's draw a circle first. Let's consider this is a circle. It should match actually, and there is a point at the center. Let's consider this point as O. Now this line is circumference. All the points on this circumference are equidistant from this point. This point is known as center of the circle. Okay. Now, so this is circumference and this is point. This is center. Now, let's take any 2 points on circumference of circle. Now, this 2 point will divide this circumference in 2 parts. One is this, which is known as arc. Means arc is nothing but part of a circumference. Means any 2 point will divide the complete circumference in 2 parts. One minor arc and major arc. The smaller one will be known as minor arc. And the bigger one will be known as major arc. So, arc is nothing but part of circumference, the curved one. If we add these 2 points by a straight line, then this line is known as chord. So, a line which is the shortest distance between 2 points on the circumference, this line is chord. Now, one more thing to notice, that the moment we have drawn a chord, the entire circle has been again divided in 2 parts. One is this, and another one is the bigger one. Now, this part is known as segment. Means any chord will divide a circle in 2 segments. Smaller one will be known as minor segment and the bigger one will be known as major segment. Okay, so the segment. In the meantime, we have left 2 important definitions, which is radius and diameter. So let's come back to radius. From the center, if we draw or we match any point on the circumference, for in this case, let's match these 2. Now, from center to any point on circumference, this is known as radius. So, from center, any point on circumference, this will be known as radius. And if what will be the name of this line? This one will be the diameter. What is the diameter? A chord which is passing through center of the circle is diameter. In a simple words, because as we have understood right now, chord is nothing but the shortest distance between the 2 points on the circumference. But this chord is not passing through the center. But if the chord is passing through the center, it is diameter. Generally, diameter is twice the radius. So, if this complete line is diameter, so diameter is nothing but twice the value of radius. But please remember, 2 radius is not diameter. Why? Because there might be a radius here and there might be a radius here. So this radius and this radius, is it possible that these two radius adding to diameter? No. But if both the radius are on a same straight line, then it will become a diameter. So diameter is either the two radius on the same line or a chord which is passing through the center of the circle. That is diameter. So far what terms we have understood? Center, circumference, radius, diameter, chord, segment, arc. Minor arc, major arc, minor segment, major segment. There is one more term related to this, which is known as sector. Now, what is a sector? Let's say from the center, there are two radius OA and OB. Now, so the area bounded by OA, this arc, not chord, please understand. Area bounded between two radius and the arc is sector. Area bounded by two radius and the chord is a triangle. So this, I'm not talking about this area. I'm talking about this area. Please understand it. This one, and this one. So if I hatch like this, this is known as sector. Means sector, and there is an angle theta at which this sector is inclined. For example, this is these are two radius, this is an arc, this is sector theta. So if we have to find out the radius, the area of this sector, it is simply theta divided by 360 into area of circle. If the value of theta is 360 degree, then this sector is nothing but a complete circle, right? Because this will become complete. And similarly, this is minor sector and this bigger one will be major sector. Okay. So these are the terms related to circles. Okay. Thank you.